How to confirm a shift in the Red Parrot Staff App. Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to confirm a shift in the Red Parrot Staff App. When a shift is assigned or released to you, you'll receive a notification on your email and phone. Next, log in and open the app. Once you're on the dashboard, you may also see a notification within the app. Go to the Unconfirmed Bookings section. Here, you'll find the shift assigned to you along with its details. To confirm the shift, simply tick the checkbox next to it. Once selected, you'll see a message saying, "Thanks for confirming the shift." At the same time, we'll be notified. After that, you can view your confirmed shift under your next shift. Or in the bookings section. And that's it, your shift is now confirmed.